Hi, this is the model I created for comparison of two different models for the same set of training data. Here one model, this is the one model that does not use any TensorFlow or artificial neural networks. This is the code created from the scratch using mean squared error loss function and linear algorithm with a gradient descent for convergence, and there is no neural networks used here. So this is a training data. This this is a second model that uses the artificial neural networks, and the training data for both the models are the same. So I'm setting up the parameters same 0.00 alpha, and iterations here it is 900 because this needs a lot of iterations. It's like a single neuron. There is not much of this one. So here this one is using the same alpha 0.01, and epochs is set to 50. So I'll again there is one hidden layer, input hidden layer, and then the output layer. Hidden layer has 8 neurons, so we'll make that as one neuron, and let's make the activation to linear activation instead of Adam. We can use the gradient descent. So mean squared errors. Now both these models are almost the same, though this has two neurons because this is a hidden layer that has one neuron, but there is another layer, output layer, that has a one neuron. So we can say two neurons. Epochs 50 instead of 50. Let's take this one as 450, half of the what we have used here. So now these models looks the similar. Now let's go for the prediction. This is the row I have taken. So the eligible loan amount should be 75 is what we can expect from here. So I'm clicking on calculate eligible loan amount. It's doing the iterations. So it's almost getting steady at the 73 point. So now let's run this one with the same setup. Four 450 epochs, it takes quite a time. So now you can see 77.08. So for the same, so now let's reduce this epochs to 50 or say 100, and let's use the 8 neurons instead of one neuron in the middle layer. So I don't think this many epochs are also required. So let's make it 60. Okay, it's done. It's coming at 71.68 with this linear model. So let's use the ReLU model. We can get a much better results for this. This is because this is the y values all are positive. There is no negative values. So now you can see 73.11, 73.36, which is almost the same things. But here we will have many more things. We can customize it uh, like this one, SGD Adam. So if we use Adam optimization, definitely it will give much better results. Is what I think. Yeah, you can see 76 point, which is almost, this is on the positive side. So earlier it was the negative side. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.